what's up? Welcome back to BigJon TV. Thanks for tuning in. Got an awesome food challenge for you guys today, an eating contest. It's been a while since I've done one of these on camera. It's time to play. We are in Sacramento, California at Chando's Cantina, downtown Sacramento, just a couple blocks away from the state capitol building. They are hosting, because it's National Burrito Day, a burrito eating contest. It's a 4-pound, 3.5 foot burrito, loaded with all sorts of meat. First to finish wins. $250 is the prize, but I tell you what, I'm probably not going to win tonight, and that's okay, because the great Schuyler is going to be here. If you don't know who she is, I'm going to post links to her channel, her videos. She is the top eater in the world, as far as I'm concerned. She's number one. In my opinion, there is nobody that's better than Schuyler. So it'll be fun to watch. So it'll be fun to play along. I'm going to enjoy a burrito, but I know my expectations aren't that high, right? That's okay. So I'm going to take you in there, show you what's going on, get signed in, and then it's almost time to eat.
We're going to start again with the size competition. So next up is Jon. All right, Jon, why don't you tell us a little bit about yourself? Have you done this before?
I'm not a professional, but I do have eating experience.
All right, awesome. Give it up for him. I've got some eating experience too. We're a little over 4 pounds of meat and goodies in here. If at any time you guys want to tap out, you're welcome to tap out. If you need more water, we'll get you guys some more water, but just keep in mind if you're down in a bunch of water, it might fill you guys up. But we've got a pro in the house. Why don't you come up here, Molly? Give them some pointers before they get going. Have you guys heard of Molly? No? You just see that?
I've done as much as 501 chicken wings in half an hour. I shut down a frying pan thing. I ate 22.5 pounds once, and I ate it all because they didn't have any more to give me.
How do you do that? How are you like able to handle that?
Shovel it in.
Wow.
Yeah.
So what do you recommend for these guys to do, and what not to do?
I would say don't put too much in your mouth. Use the water if you need it, and I said don't push it too hard because choking is not a good option. And I don't want to see your dinner back again the second time. That's gross, dude. Good stuff.
Oh yeah, we have we should have some garbage cans. Hey, what happens if they yak? Are they out of it?
Heave, you leave. Get out.
All right, what else? Okay. So what else? Some terminology in this competitive eating. I didn't know such a thing existed.
Yeah, no, this has been going on for quite a while. Like they do the contest, Coney Island is a big one. I mean, I don't do that because I don't have a contract, but I like to do what I want to do.
So here are the rules, right? So you guys have 10 minutes to down it, right? It's got to be done, not completely or as much as you guys can take down. If at any time you guys feel like tapping out, just tap out, right? Don't push yourselves too much. If you guys need more water, we're gonna have some water around here. If you guys need the paramedics, this shorty over here, yeah, he'll help you guys out, or these two guys will help you out. You guys ready? You guys feel ready?
No shoving food down your shirt. No hiding the food.
No hiding food. No chipmunking.
Doesn't belong in your beard.
Hold on, we're just testing it out. Ready? Okay, what are they gonna hear when it's like ready to go? Is it gonna be like? All right, ready? It's gonna be 3, 2, 1, and then 3 beeps. Ready? Let's go, Jameson.
Dang, dude, that's actually pretty cool.
Woo! Come on, Jon!
45 seconds. I think Jon's he's got some competition over here. Stockton's kind of struggling. Spicy hot or temperature hot? Or both? Yeah, temperature hot. How you doing over there, Jon? All right. Fabian? Fernando? Isaac's running the show, ladies and gentlemen. And on his heels, the big man, the beard. Fear the beard.
Come on, Jon!
Give it up to Isaac, he's almost done with that burrito. Holy. Hey, don't give up, guys. You still have a chance.
If you win, they might even give you a balloon or a cookie.
Hey, be sure to save some room for some churros and ice cream. I think we're tied over here, Isaac and the beard. I don't know what happened to Fabian.
Come on, Jon!
Fernandito. What about Remy? How you doing over there, Remy? Sacramento. You want some more water? We're gonna need some more water over here for Isaac. But remember, you yak, you lose.
And you have less than 30 seconds.
30 seconds, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up, come on. Hype them up, guys. Come on, Isaac, you got this. Come on. Let's do this, Big Jon. Big Jon's got it. Oh, it's getting good. Ya se prendió el cerro. Is that it? Time? Time.
Did anybody earn the cookie? Did anybody finish? Oh. Dang, dude, that's awesome.
How about a round of applause to these guys, man? There's some brave stuff here, man. You guys all did great. How you feeling? Okay, so Isaac, give it up for Isaac. He killed this. Congratulations. It's all right. Give it up for these guys. You guys did awesome.
How did Jon do?
Okay, guys, once again, let's give it up for them.
We should have eaten that.
For the participants in the size. Come on, guys, let's give it up for Molly.
All right, ready, Molly?
All right. We're going to do a countdown for the count up. All right. Let's get ready. Everybody count with me to 3. 1, 2, 3. Hold Come on. Look at her go.
Sorry, we had a glitch in the back there. 1 minute, 47 seconds. Give it up for Molly. Sorry, our technology messed up. Do you want to do another one? I'm just joking.
Okay, so I sweated some serranos with some habaneros, put more sauce, and cooked it with it. We added the meat, cooked it all together, and then the final layer, we showered it with more salsa and finished it off with more habaneros and serranos. And that's pretty much it.
What did you put in the salsa? What kind of sauce did you put in?
All habanero.
All habanero?
All habanero.
And did you roast them?
We roasted the habaneros first, we blended it, added even more habaneros to it, and we cooked more habaneros as well.
Go for it.
Alex has got. Oh, Alex and Alejandro Sanchez. Alex, oh, the last fight. You guys are down to the last fight. It's going down to the wire, boys. It is going down to the wire. You guys have to swallow it all, finish it up. No chipmunking, is it? No chipmunking? Oh,
Yeah! Right there!
Just whatever you do, do not rub your eyes, and be sure to wash your hands before you go to the bathroom. Just saying.
There she is. There she is. The great Molly Schuyler. And I said it right. I didn't say Schuyler just to mess with her.
All right. I don't want to get a ticket, I swear. So
Yeah.
we're going to go.
All right.
All right.
See ya.
All right, bye. Your son's down there.
Oh, you can take him. Okay.
Yep. 1, 2, 3. He's yours now.
Needed more meat.
See ya. All right. So, I did not win said burrito eating contest. I did finish second, right behind that guy. That burrito came out molten lava. That was so freaking hot. Over 4 pounds burrito. I almost finished it though. I could have another couple minutes and it'd have been gone. Delicious, delicious burrito. Chando's. These guys, Sacramento. Check them out. Like I said, I'll post Molly's information somewhere. Make sure you check out her channel. She is the best eater in the world. And that's it. We're gonna go home now. Thanks for watching. I know these contests are gross. I know you guys, some of you are like, oh, I get it. It's not all the time. It's not a regular thing, okay? So it's just for fun, just a hobby. I almost made $250 was first place. That was close. Did you know that?
I didn't even know there was a cash prize. I
Oh,
let you do
now
this
I'm in
without
trouble.
even-
Now I'm in trouble because
No, it's cool. It was a good showing.
I came close. That was close. All right, thanks for watching. Catch you guys on the next one. See you.